In the quick start video, we showed you how to use the form engine in minutes. Here, we'll show you how to use two key feature sets: QR codes to extend your QuickBase deeper into the mobile and physical workplace, and new digital asset creation so you can extend service to many more users everywhere they need it. Think of a QR code as a mobile hyperlink that can be displayed on screen, embedded in documents, or printed on physical objects anywhere. Most smartphones and tablets can now read QR codes natively with their cameras. So when a person points their mobile camera at a QR code, the device opens whatever's behind it in the user's mobile browser, just like a hyperlink. The form engine empowers your QuickBase to easily deploy the value of QR codes across your organization, with vast use cases you can see in the table here. It automatically creates working QR codes for all of your forms, documents, and other assets it digitizes to let you easily extend mobile access to your users. For example, if you wanted a branded mobile form for event registration, you'd take an image or screenshot of your desired form, digitize it into a form by dragging, dropping, and sizing your fields as you want them, like this. Save, and then you have a QR code generated for this form that you can put anywhere your users need it. It's a working, custom, mobile QuickBase form in minutes, and it renders like this. It's easily usable wherever you might print or embed a QR code, and like all your form engine assets, it's a permalink. So replacing the background image or changing the form updates with the QR code renders in real time. So your QR codes are controlled centrally and always current, anywhere you've deployed them for your users. Another example, creating a custom mobile incident form for employees to report issues or request maintenance on equipment, facilities, or other assets all over your work sites anywhere in the world, and do it all in QuickBase, which could be a ticketing app, and create a simple custom mobile form like this. Name and save it, and it's a new working digital form in your library. You can print its QR code permalink onto labels with instruction, and then have those labels applied to any equipment, facilities, or other worksite assets, anywhere that your users might need to report a problem or request assistance. Users simply render the form with their smartphone camera, fill it out, even using voice to text, attach a photo if it's helpful, and submit it right on the spot to your QuickBase for action. You can even customize the QR codes to pre-populate some fields on the form, identifying the what and the where that the user is reporting on. How about that for centralized, easy, enterprise-wide service? The second feature set in this video, which builds on QR codes, is the easy creation of no data digital assets of all kinds. This unique feature lets you digitize any image, document, or other content for read-only, PDF generation, and print purposes in seconds. And the areas to improve the information, service, and support you give your users, like in these examples, is practically endless. These digitized assets are static and do not interact with QuickBase, no data in or out of them. They only exist as digitized images in the form engine, so they can be used anywhere with no user licensing and no user authentication. To digitize an asset like this, you're going to click New Template from File and upload any JPEG, PNG, PDF, or Word document like this. Choose one of your QuickBase apps from your list. It doesn't matter which one in this case. It won't interact with that app. It's just a required step for now to make the pop-up go away. Then add your asset name and description. Save it, and you have a new digital asset in your library ready to use. The add record link here and the QR code are your permalinks to this read-only or print to PDF asset. You can embed or print the URL and QR code anywhere your users need desktop or mobile access to the asset you created. And you have central, real-time control of all of them. If you ever need to change or update an asset, just click Change Template and upload your replacement asset. Just make sure it's the same number of pages, save it, and the permalink updates automatically. This means your URL and QR code permalinks will continue to work in real time, anywhere you've printed or used them, even as you update and change your assets. So this feature set lets you create and provide help to as many users as you like, everywhere, with desktop and mobile access to an unlimited number of digital assets and content, at no additional cost for these view-only assets, and optionally, they can download any of them as PDFs. We hope that you'll use QR code and digital asset creation functionality to benefit your organization in many areas. The form engine is growing rapidly. Contact us if we can help. Thank you.